Comfortable, soft, lightweight facepiece with easy-to-adjust head straps for a customized fit. NIOSH approved against certain organic vapors. Disposable half facepiece respirator ideal for intermittent use. Use with other PPE. Adjustment points located on facepiece for improved compatibility with other personal protection equipment. For industrial, occupational use only. Not for consumer sale or use. The 3M5000 series half facepiece disposable organic vapor respirator assembly helps provide respiratory protection against certain airborne contaminants. This respirator is NIOSH approved for respiratory protection against certain organic vapors up to 10 times the permissible exposure limit, PEL. Half facepiece respirator may be used in a variety of workplace applications, including petrochemical, chemical manufacturing, construction, transportation, and electronics. This disposable respirator assembly offers greater convenience by reducing the need for long-term maintenance. This half facepiece respirator is an ideal choice for intermittent use. Top reviews from the United States. Very helpful. The only problem is you cannot change filters. I did not read that part, but it works great.